Alfred Luiong. I'm the Curry Pack trainer from the Philippines and also an M1000. All right. So before we start, guys, I would like to know which country are you living in? So I could shout out your country. And of course, let's have a good presentation today. Okay. So for the new members or new people that's going to come, it's like um, you're going to expect and you're going to see the one of the best opportunity this 2026. So Matt is from USA, Sean Landrenu from USA. So we have a lot of Americans right now. Hello, I think it's around morning there, 9 a.m. if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so how about some other people? By the way, I have it with
On with all of you once again. So thank you so much, Alfred, for joining me as well. And yes, today we will, as usual, take you through the ins and outs, right, of what we are building.
SK Imam and Helen Hughes is from USA. This Alabama. Is this Alabama, the AL? And Pelmaong, hello from Manila, Philippines. All right, so we're gonna start now. So please bear with me, guys. And please, your question is at the end of our presentation. Thank you so much.
Is not any kind of financial advice. I repeat, okay, it's not any kind of financial advice. So, with any kind of financial decision that you need to make, always do your own due diligence, right?
Called a BOM, Carry Pack BOM. It's called Business Opportunity Meeting. So here you're gonna have an opportunity to create a business alongside with this um, public chain and of course our first ecosystem, Carry Pack. All right, so let's go. Start, guys. So me personally, when I'm looking at a company to join or gonna invest, I'm always have this five decision markers. So when I heard about this carry pack, so there's always some company out there that they're gonna tell you that they're the best, we are gonna be the number one. But without these five decision markers, there are a lot of people. I mean, a lot of people getting lost their money. Why? Because they join some company without, the without using their due diligence or researching it thoroughly. So let me help you to decide if this company is for you or if this company is worth sharing in your friends, your family, or even your loved ones. Now, number one. So this is the five decision markers, an investment opportunity or building a network career. Now, number one we have here is the trend. So the question here, is this aligned with the future? Is this following the trend and not the crowd? Now, the BOT and Carry Pack, when I saw it first, so the trend right now is blockchain. So the future is blockchain, guys. Second is the AI. Now, what if I told you? What if I tell you like those two, AI and blockchain, is in together in this wonderful opportunity? Are you gonna check it for me? Of course. Let's check it. Number one. Second is the company. So, is the company trustworthy? Is the owner is a visionary? And is it built for long-term success? So, why it's so important about the company? So right now we want to build. I mean, of course, we want to build a long, successful career. We don't want to build this for 6 months and then it's gone. Poof. No. So when I'm looking at the company, you should have the owner, his vision for the community and also for his own company. So the company will be check. When you heard the credentials of our owner, wow, you're gonna be amazed, guys. Third is the products. Okay. Now, let me tell you a story. I've been a network marketer for the last 17 years. Now, there are like food supplements, travel, like that. Now, but does the product solve a real problem and create real value? Now, what if I told you that this product can produce you a token that could last 22 years and it could help you your financial, like, imagine a product of Bitcoin mining for the next 22 years. Wow. So let's check it out. Number 3. So number 4, the comp plan. Now, is the comp plan compensation plan is fair? Is it sustainable? And also, is it rewarding? Now, I told you I've been in network marketing for 17 years. I see a lot of comp plan. I've seen a lot of comp plan. There are like some comp plan is like, okay, you're gonna earn like this big, you're gonna earn like this big, and then next month you will not gonna earn because it's like it's not sustainable. Or even like the binary or the structure is like, okay, if you be the first to go up to the head, like it's the pyramid thing. Now, in this Complan, guys, the good thing about this is they have the daily payout every single day. I repeat, daily payout, no weekly payout, monthly payout. There's no subscription, there's no maintenance. So it's fair. So let's check it. And number 5, the most important of all is the education. Does the company invest in your growth? The company is spent more than $20 million for education. Imagine that. Now, when all these 5 decision markers are checked, let's deep dive to the owner. So I'm proud to say, when I met this guy, he's so humble, but yet it's like, I know he's gonna be the next top guy in the crypto space. So let's welcome Mr. Johnson Zhao. He's a founder, visionary, educator, and builder. He's the founder of Coinstar Exchange. I know some of you heard it. Founder of BOT Chain and founder of Caripac Supercomputing Protocol. And as an early years an educator, it's like more than a decade. He's like educating people about cryptocurrency. And also an author of 14 books, guys, sharing wisdom, insight, and practical knowledge throughout the world. Now, in his belief, education is the most fundamental and important in our life. Do you agree with that? Now, also, it's like if you need some of this background, you could Google him. You could use Chat GPT on him. You're gonna be amazed on his credentials. So, the first founded the business is called Coinstore Exchange. So this is a Coinstore Exchange which you can exchange your money and to buy coins. So that's typically like Binance, OKX. Now in this Coinstore Exchange, the leading crypto asset exchange, it's over 6 years of operation. It has a 12 million user worldwide and a 300 million daily trading volume. Also, he has a 12 financial license, full compliance and regulation, ensuring the safety and trust. Now, why did he go from exchange to a public chain? Number one reason, it's because there are still no number one public chain, and he want to be the first or the king in the public chain. All right. So welcome again for all those new. Welcome. This is the Caripac and BOT Business Opportunity Meeting, and I'm gonna present to you the bot chain in the first flagship ecosystem called Caripac. All right. So the contents here is the bot chain competitive advantages, the global consensus community, Caripac, the flagship ecosystem, and the sustainable economic model. Now, bot chain. So what is bot chain? This is the world, guys. This is the world one blockchain design specifically for large-scale Web3 applications in the AI era. Now, the strategic goals here is we want to have 10,000 protocol or ecosystem by the end of 2027. Of course, we have short goals. Our short goals right now is by the end of 2026, we want to achieve a 2,000 ecosystem project. Now, for the performance and user growth, we want to have a dynamic scalability reaching 500,000 TPS. So what is TPS? It's a transaction per second in the medium term. And we want to have a daily users exceeding 4 million, annual transaction volume targeting surpassing 800 billion US dollar. And of course, for the developers that's gonna come and use our bot chain, we want to have a 90% higher development efficiency, empowering millions of developers and bringing AI agents natively into the blockchain ecosystem. That's why we are on the trend, as I told you. So this one check, okay. Now, imagine we are less than 5 months. Okay, we are less than 5 months. But our ecosystem projects and partnerships as now 716. Okay, can you chat number one? Because this is gonna be the number one BOT. Okay, the number one public chain. Imagine that in less than 5 months, we have a 716. We have 158 live on mainnet, 145 in mainnet deployment, and an ecosystem partners of 61 and a 352 projects in the pipeline. Right. Now, also we have this bot chain capital consensus of 50 million US dollars. So, of course, this is so good, okay? This is so good. Which, who and which company did invest with us? So, I'm proud to say Nix Foundation. This is a Sweden-based technology. Alpha Capital is one of the leading venture capital firms in Turkey, and Gemhead Capital, the Binance Alpha Core invested institution. So within these three, they managed to put a seeding capital of $15 million. Now, also our own founder, Mr. Johnson Zhao, put his 35 million US dollar. And now, guys, this is getting excited. We are planned to exchange listings starting quarter 4 in OKX, Bybit, KuCoin, MEXC, BitGet, and other leading global exchanges. Now, what will happen when we list our token to that exchanges? Imagine around 200 to 300 million user worldwide will know BOT. But then again, congratulations to all. Why? Because you are the first to know about this wonderful project. Okay. Also, if you check Binance Square, we have an article here like BOT chain launches mainnet for Web3 applications. Of course, this is the coin store. We listed our BOT there, so you could actually trade the BOT slash USDT pair. And also, we are now listed in CoinGecko. So, yes, congratulations to all, guys. Now, why I love so B? Why do I love BOT? Because this is not unlike 99% of public chain that been popping up. It's like popping up every day, every week, every month. So in this BOT chain, he created this 5 core infrastructure. So before he launches it, he created this 5 core infrastructure. Number one is the mainnet or the core blockchain network. This is a foundational layer one infrastructure powering ecosystem and on-chain value flow. So imagine like that we are a public chain. People now can go and create their ecosystem, their projects, and they're gonna be happy. Why? Because we could power up their ecosystem. Second is the explorer. Of course, every single one of us wants transparency. Of course. Now, this Explorer, this is an on-chain transparency layer. This is a real-time access to blockchain data, transaction records, and computing verification. And the good news about this, guys, this is free for everyone. Member, not member, people from the States, people from the Philippines, you could check our Explorer. Number three is Bridge. Of course, now, many people like, okay, Alfred, I want to buy the BOT, but how can I liquidate it? So that's the first problem. And now you could like trade it in the coin store. But in this bridge, it's like we have this cross-chain connectivity. We are connecting our assets, liquidity, and ecosystem through seamless cross-chain infrastructure like BNB, like Ethereum, like Solana, like TRX. So we have this now called Bridge. Okay. Number four is the BO wallet. This is a unified gateway ecosystem. This is a secure gateway for participation on staking returns, computing application. And of course, how could you buy the BOT? When last 4 months ago, it's like you could only buy this in BDEX, but now you could buy now in the CoinStore exchange. Okay, now guys, why I'm so excited? Okay, now is the time to buy these mining machines. But let me tell you, this is only limited, guys. This is only limited. Imagine like in 2 days, we sold around 3,200 mining machines. Why? Because the first mining machine is a limited daily mining, only 8,000 BOT. But now 20,000 BOT will gonna be released every single day. So the current price is this is 9.70. It's like fluctuating around 9.2, 9.7, 9.8. Imagine when you have this machine every single day, you're gonna get your BOT. Now I suggest if after this presentation and you love the BOT, the highlights, the technology, I suggest you buy a mining machine. Why? Because it will mine for you for the next 3 to 5 years. All right. Now the economic model of this is the first one, guys. So this is the slides we use for, but now it's like 20,000 BOT. 75% will be distributed, or 16,000 BOT will be distributed to all participants who bought mining machine. And I'm proud to say I'm one of the owners of that mining machine. Wow. So I'm so excited. Why? Because starting tomorrow, guys, starting tomorrow, I'm gonna mine now a BOT. Okay, and 25%, this is good also when you are doing the business. 25% or the dynamic rewards will be distributed among V1 to V10 ranks. All right. Now, guys, the normal price is 3,980 per machine. The group is 69,300 and cluster is 342,000. So we have a discount right now. It's like around 3,100 plus. I suggest it's like you must be quick about this. Okay, guys, make a quick decision because this is a one-time discount only. And tomorrow the machine will start to mine. Okay. Now, why I'm so loud on getting a BOT every single day? Because it has a real utility and backup by this wonderful technology. So number one, as I said, we are the world first AI native Okay, AI native AI identity in the blockchain. Second is we have a TOB layer, blockchain building thousand of ecosystem. This is a supercomputing protocol. Three is our online multi-dimensional on-chain. And number four is an AI launchpad innovation engine. So imagine this technology alone will gather a lot of developers. You're gonna see in the next few months, there are a lot of ecosystem going to the BOT. Why? Because if they go to the other public chain, imagine, for example, they go to other public chain, they presented their ecosystem, it will take them 6 to 7 months to finish that project. Now, BOT offers them that if you use our AI, our blockchain, those 6 to 7 months will be finished around 1 hour only. Okay, let me repeat that. If you go to BOT chain, your project will be finished in 1 hour only. So imagine that. As a developer, you're gonna love it 100%, guys. Now also, are there people joining now BOT and Carrypack? Right now, guys, we have a 450,000 users and we are now in 60 countries and regions. Also, we have about 1,800 plus offices worldwide. Now, this is a BOT chain global consensus in Hong Kong. So the representatives from 45 countries and region, there are 4,000 plus attendees, 20 plus top tier speakers and guests with a global live stream views surpassing 200,000. Now, when I saw this, it's like, wow, wow. I meant, wow, this public chain will gonna be one of the best. Okay. So then in less than 2 months, they created their second BOT Chain Global Ecosystem Summit on Bangkok. It's covering 55 plus countries and regions, 5,000 plus attendees worldwide, and 100 plus ecosystem projects participating, global live stream views exceeding 1 million plus. Please type 1. Okay? If you love BOT chain, please type 1. And if you want to mine BOT chain, please type 2. All right. Now, as I said, we are presenting this as a business opportunity meeting. Now, how could you earn while participating in this wonderful project? Now, let me introduce to you the Carry Pack, the flagship or the first flagship ecosystem on BOT chain. So this is built on BOT chain, the first one of ecosystem. This was to be a support. This was built to support large-scale user growth and ecosystem development worldwide and designed for long-term ecosystem growth, global expansion, and mass adoption. Now, let's go to the Carrypack economic model or the CA tokens. We have a total supply of 210 million. This is less than 5 months, guys. You could actually take a participation on this. Now, how is that? In the 210 million, there's an allocation of this. 10 million are available for our swap, meaning a liquidity pool, meaning you could actually buy now the CA in our swap. Second, for me, in my opinion, this is so good. Why? 200 million CA will be available in the mining output. So fixed daily output of 40,000 CA per day, but after 2 years, there's gonna be a 10% reduction. And it's gonna be a fully released with 22 years. Now, the output on that is 42% goes to computing power mining, 18% goes to the POS output, 35% goes to active reward pool, 3% goes to DAO, and only 2%, guys, imagine, only 2% goes to foundation, meaning 98% of CA will be available to all communities. Imagine that. Now, this is the product. Okay, so we have only three products. So I presented to you the first product is the mining machine. Okay, now that mining machine will mine BOT. Okay, now in the carry pack we have two products. So it's called a dual passive turbo model. The first product is the computing power driven. Now, the best thing about this is you could actually participate or buy this product in a minimum of 100 USDT. Now, when you buy this like 100 USDT and up, it's up to you guys. 100 USDT is the minimum, but you could actually buy like 200, 300. Me personal is like I bought like around 800 USDT. Okay. Now you're gonna get your personal hash rate equivalent to the hash rate compensation. When I bought this, it's like 1:2. But now for those people who are new, okay, I'm gonna congratulate you. Why? It's almost 1:7 hash rate, meaning $100 is equivalent to 680 plus hash rate. Now, those hash rate, it's gonna be mathematically computed. This is not like some company like calling like, are we gonna get 1% every day? No, it's all mathematically computed. So your personal hash rate, guys, will be divided by the total network hash rate. You're actually gonna see that to the CarryPack app, and then multiply by 16,800 CA. Where do we get that? That is the 42%. You're gonna get your daily CA. Now, the good thing about this is a no exit mechanism. So no exit mechanism, meaning even if you don't want CA anymore, all right, it will continue giving you CA rewards for the next 22 years. Imagine that. Okay, that's why I love it. I bought $800 of it, and I'm enjoying it every single day. Now, imagine that for the next 22 years. All right. Now, that's our first product. Now, our second product, okay, it's called the staking driven. So, in our first product, guys, this is a long term, meaning 22 years. Now, I have like clients or family like around like 60 after the flexible staking is only 5 CA. Imagine that, guys. In 5 CA, you could actually participate now in our staking driven. So, the conclusion here, the longer the staking period, the more significant the compound growth effect. All right. Now, also, we have this multi-dimensional active incentives driving global CA consensus. So there's an incentives for those people who's gonna promote this wonderful opportunity. Now, I congratulate you if you have guests in our Zoom today. Why? Because this is only gonna be given to those people that gonna promote. Okay, we have two products, as I said, the computing mining power and the staking driven. That's the product. You're gonna get your CA every single day. But here in the multi-dimensional active incentives, this is for the people who want to create a career. This is for people who are looking like part-time income. This is for people that looking for a serious life-changing income. Now, there are 35% CA release in these multi-dimensional active incentives. So 7,000 CA per day to the personal hash rate. It's called V0. The personal sub-community hash rate divided by the total global sub-community hash rate, you're gonna get your another CA. So how can you do that? Now, if you want to build a career in Caripac or in BOT chain, the number one requirement is you must have a minimum of $300. Now it's up to you where you're gonna put the $300. You could put it in the mining for the next 22 years. If you are like me, I'm just 36 years old. You can wait, okay? Or you could just go it and you could put it on our staking driven at 360 days. Now, when you do that, your second requirements is you must have a 3,000 personal small leg performance in under you. Now, meaning is like you could actually see, you could go to your Carrypack app, go to user center and click my community. You could actually see the requirements that you want to be to level up your career here in the Carrypack. Now, the VIP level rewards. Okay, so this is the second, and also 7,000 CA are released also in here. Now, the good thing about this VIP level rewards is like they divided in 10 ranks. Okay, so V1 to V10. Now, when you are doing this, promoting this, guys, it's my first time I've seen a company that your sales is actually accumulated every single day. So imagine you have a sales last month, it will be added to your next month. Now, doing that, there's of course a personal volume requirement also. In V1 500, V2 1,000, V3 1,500, and etc., etc., etc. Now, let's just say you did this business and you become V3 with an 80,000 small leg performance. V3 earns, like, let's just say a conservative, like 80 to 120 US dollar worth of CA every single day for the next 22 years. But there are people in less than 4 months, they become V8, and those V8 earn $30,000 every single day. That's why it could be a part-time or it could be also a life-changing income. So it's up to you guys. So this is not mandatory. You could just go buy the products and enjoy the passive rewards, or you could actually do this and change your life forever. Now, there's also a staking VIP level rewards, a 6 to 30%. So as I told you, when you are building your community, they can choose, okay? Mining or staking. Now, if they choose staking and you hit V1, V2, or V3, so for example, in this example, let's just say V2, you hit V2, um, all of your community, the rewards of your community, you're gonna get also a 10% of that. So this is the example on that. For example, you become V2. After you become V2, your total staking amount or your community, you build your community and they stake 1,000,000 CA. Okay. When they stake 1,000,000 CA, like let's just say they choose 360 days, they're gonna get 0.5% daily yield every single day. Now, the team daily total revenue will become 5,000 CA distributed among them. And because you are the reason for that community, you actually gonna get a 500 CA bonus every single day. Now, the equivalent on that, for example, this is times 33, okay? 500 CA times 33, it's gonna be 16,500 USDT per day. Your monthly income could go up to 495,000 USDT. Now, the great thing about this is not a one-time reward, but a long-term pipeline income model. As I said, they choose the 360 days, so you're gonna get 16,500 every single day for the next 360 days. Now, when you get that money, could you buy your dream car? Could you buy your dream house? Are you capable to help a lot of people? Imagine that. That's why I always said, if you want to do this business, you must know your why. Why are you going to do this business? Is it for your family? Is it for your son, for your daughter, for your mom, for your wife? Guys, this is a serious business. All right. Now, it's a multi-win-win, party win-win ecosystem. Now, for investor, for example, I have an investor like, okay, Alfred, I have this $10,000. Okay, let's put on a staking. They're gonna they're gonna get so happy, guys. So there's a dual income opportunities. Their coins will mine a lot, okay, and the value of that coin will be around 12x. Now, if they just want to buy the mining machine, it's okay also. Why? They're gonna mine BOT every single day. And what if that BOT price goes up to $100, up to $1,000? Imagine that, guys. So second, for community promoters that you are interested, if you are interested, this is a sustainable pipeline income. Meaning it's like every single day when you reach your first rank, every single day they're gonna give you your daily profits. And of course, for the project development, what's it in for the company? So it's a sustainable economic model. We go here, build the strong infrastructure foundation, and we have a Web3 computing leadership. Now, the growth logic behind CA and BOT. So why it's gonna grow? Okay, it's so simple. Number one, they both have a permanent buyback burn deflation. CA has 10%, BOT uses this 50% of gas fees. Second, we have a fixed daily emission with 10% reduction every 2 years. Now, in BOT, we have a strong supply control mechanism fully released over 25 years. Now, CA are using staking sector, high demand, and low circulating supply to up the price of CA. In BOT, we are now continuously building ecosystem application. As I said, in less than 4 months, guys, we achieve a 700 plus ecosystem. Now, in CA, we have called here private traffic growth through community consensus. Imagine Monday to Sunday, every single day, 9 p.m. Philippine time, we have this support for everyone that wants to build this business. We have also offline events. We have huge events. We have boot camps. All right. So BOT uses the public traffic expansion through KOLs and mainstream media exposure. Also, we have these core competitive moats. Okay, so public chain plus ecosystem synergy. This is the first time a public chain and an ecosystem work side by side. Global Community Consensus Network, as I said, we have this Monday to Sunday offline events, online events, innovative economic model every single day. When you've reached your first rank, you're gonna get paid. Four is the systemized organizational capabilities. Guys, we have 16 departments managing this wonderful public blockchain, international leadership and strategic IP empowerment. Last month, if I'm not mistaken, we have a V5 Danang Bootcamp. So, wow, it's all expense paid, all out expense paid. And of course, our global education infrastructure. Now, for people who want to learn more, we are accepting students as of today. Now you could, how do you apply? Go to your upline, tell your upline, I want to learn more about the BOT and CA. Okay. So the conclusion here is the public chains. Let me repeat that. The conclusion here, public chain or BOT empowers ecosystem or carry pack. So BOT empowers carry pack. Carry pack generate traffic and traffic fuels the BOT. So this is a perfect flywheel effect, drives simultaneous ecosystem growth and value expansion. All right. So we are finished. All right. All right. Are you excited, guys? Are you excited? Are
Thank
you
you. Thank you
excited?
so much. Yes, we
Now,
are. very excited
Yeah.
for sure.
Now let go on to Mr. Andrew to give us some updates because tomorrow is gonna be a big day for everyone who bought mining machine.
Yes, absolutely right. Absolutely right. So just now, I believe the slides for the mining machine was not the latest one. So maybe let me pull up, and I would like to re-emphasize on some of the important points.